Good afternoon. Today's topic is parts of speech. So, for not to go with the confusion, I have made it simple. First, we will go through the definition what it is a category of words that have similar grammatical properties. So, what is the definition of parts of speech? It is a category of words and that are having a grammatical properties. What are those grammatical properties? We will learn further. So it tells us how a word is used in a sentence. It also tells us how a word is used in a sentence, and it is also called as word clauses. There are 8 parts of speech. So there are mainly 8 parts of speeches. So what are those? Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So not to go with the confusion and all, only this 8 parts of speeches I have made with the example, and in details and their subheadings will be going in the next video. So let us see in details what are those parts of speeches with simple trick. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Simply, it may be a name of a person, place, thing, or anything. Name. It is a naming word, right? For example, boy. What is his name? Sam. Another animal, cat, and the place, Paris, etc. Then next, pronoun. Pronoun is instead of noun. Where we are using pronoun, we are using instead of noun. Noun means naming word. Instead of naming word, we are using he, my, yourself, etc. Then comes adjective. What is adjective? It's describing something, people or a thing, something. It is describing how it is. It is pretty, or it is easy, or it is fat or thin. It is the example of adjective. Then verb. Verb is nothing but any action word. Jump, go, be, think are the examples of verb. Then adverb. It describes a verb. What is verb? Action word. So whatever the action is going on, it's describing that. For example, neatly, quickly, etc. are the examples of adverb. Then comes preposition. Preposition is showing the position, place, where it is, on, in, to, from, of, behind, beside. It are the examples of preposition. Then comes the conjunction. Conjunction joins the words or clauses or sentences. For example, and, or, but, etc. Last but not the least, interjection. What is interjection? Express sudden emotions, expressing the sudden